Hi everyone, this is Padma ma'am. See, I have 12 years experience in teaching. The main motive of this channel is for page-wise revision of NCRT. So we are continuing with the surface chemistry class 12. Today topic is catalyst. Before going into catalysis, what is a catalyst we have to know. What is a catalyst? A catalyst a foreign substance which will increase the rate of reaction. The foreign substance which is increasing the rate of reaction is called as catalyst, and the process which enabling the rate of reaction to increase is called as catalysis. So catalyst, what is a catalyst? A foreign substance which enables the increase of rate of reaction, and the process in which the catalyst is added to increase the rate of reaction is called as catalysis. See, there are two types of catalysis. The first type, what we are going to study, is based upon the physical state of reactant and product. We know that for the reaction to occur, we should have reactant, product, and catalyst. So there are two types of catalysis. One is homogeneous catalysis and another one is heterogeneous catalysis. So homogeneous catalysis in which all the reactant, product, catalyst are at the same state. So they are in same state, same physical state. In this, it is divided again into two parts. One is gas phase catalyst, another one is liquid gas catalyst. So in this, if you take the reactant, this is a reactant, the reactant, product, and catalyst, everything will be in gaseous state. Everything will be in gaseous state. And in liquid phase catalyst, this is the best example of this formation of sulfur trioxide. In liquid phase catalyst, if you take, it will be in aqueous and it will be in liquid gas catalysis. Aqueous, liquid, and in presence of concentrated H2SO4 in liquid, they will have an aqueous glucose plus fructose. So this is a breakdown of, this is a formation of glucose. Okay. Next, if you take about the heterogeneous catalyst, reactant, product, catalyst, all will be in different state. If you take solid catalyst, platinum, nickel, iron, all are there, all what we use for the normal reaction. So everything they will be in what? No, they will be in solid. And the solid liquid state. See, solid liquid catalyst. Here, if you take vegetation, that is vegetable ghee, how the vegetable ghee is formed. This is general that vanaspati preparation. So vegetables plus H2, even that hydrogenation, that is also a best example of heterogeneous catalyst. And this is the second type of catalyst is catalyst based upon the mechanism. See, the first catalyst what we have studied is the catalysis based upon the physical state. The second type of catalysis is mechanical mechanism. What is a mechanism? See, positive catalyst which will increases the rate of reaction, palladium, and negative catalyst which will inhibit or lowers or retards, it will stop or lowers the rate of reaction. In the formation of carboxylic acid, diphenylamine is used as a inhibitor. So this is about the catalysis, and this is in the book. The next topic what we are studying is a catalysis. Important 3-mark question. What is catalyst? What is promoter? This is based upon the mechanism. See, if you write like the tabular column, you will get more mark. So catalysis first made by Bernoulli in 1835. Okay. Next, this is an example of see here the promoter this is an Haber's process, very important process. Haber's process, the manufacture of ammonia. Iron is a catalyst, and here the molybdenum act as a promoter, which will further increases the reaction to proceed. So homogeneous catalysis, we have seen this example and some more example, hydrolysis and hydrolysis of sucrose. So these are the some of the examples of homologous catalyst, and this I have given in two types of tabular column, that is gas phase catalyst, liquid phase catalyst. Liquid phase catalyst, this is gas phase catalyst. And the next example, heterogeneous vegetable oil, that is vegetable oil preparation, day to day life, in what the catalysis is used. So you can write this process. So this is an Hosford process, very important, that is oxidation of ammonia into a nitric acid in presence of platinum gas in Hosford process. So in this, the reactant are in gaseous state while the catalyst are in solid state. The catalyst are in solid state. Important things you have to remember. Haber's process I already mentioned. Thank you.